Cooling water under your house, whether from a plumbing disaster or a serious downpour, can put you up to your neck in water damage repair bills. This pump acts as a collection point for all excess water in the soil, and it gets shipped to a storm drain, a detention pond, or otherwise away from your home. It's on standby the majority of its life, sometimes years at a time. Keeping it in tip-top shape is a fairly easy task, assuming it isn't terribly difficult to access. This maintenance should probably be on your annual checklist. We'll start in the most obvious place, your owner's manual. It's going to have specific instructions on maintaining your specific pump. In general, we want to look at whether any components need to be greased. Most just need to be cleaned and tested by unplugging it and pulling it out of its hole, cleaning it, and returning it to its original condition. Dumping some water in there for a quick test will confirm its operation, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and check out the next video where we tackle all of your leaky shower heads. We'll see you then.